Hi, I'm Dr. Chandrashekar Challa. I'm an associate professor at Virginia State University, the College of Business, and the Department of Information Systems. It has been pretty good over the years. I think it's been 3 years ago that when I was first introduced to the platform by Vincent, and I, I did a test trial, and I mean I like the interface. Um, so over a period of time, we decided maybe we'll implement in a class uh, in a in a bigger way. So that's what we are doing. I'm using in my database class this semester. Um, yeah, I think by and large students do like you know a self-paced learning. Um, so last time I taught the same class, I didn't use it, so I can't really compare. But in general, this semester the students seem to be liking the interface, you know, uh, because they can, they have the flexibility to do the work, and I, I, I I think the instructions are pretty clear. I haven't had any, negative feedback from the students. So having said that, that means, you know, they do like the interface. And they seem to be staying on top of their work. Uh, so I would say yes, positive experience. Um, I haven't really asked that question to them about uCertify in the company as such, but I can only talk about their impression about uCertify interface as far as my class is concerned. I know uh, the students here use uCertify for a lot of other classes too. Um, my colleagues use uCertify also, and I guess they probably do like it. But I can't comment on their impression or about uCertify. It was pretty easy. I had in the beginning, I had to look at some videos and get some help from Vincent. But after that, it was pretty easy. The learning curve is not that high. If you're familiar with portals, how to access portals, and you should be okay. So I'm pretty good now. It took me a couple of tries in terms of organizing, setting up a class and a section, and you know, but I think I've learned well now, so I'm pretty comfortable now. Well, it has created, like for this class, for my database class, I have materials that it has created for me, so that saves a little bit of time, so I don't have to create any additional materials. Uh, so from that point of view, it has saved some time, and so the time I saved, I use it for maybe coming up with more examples, more scenarios, different types of scenarios, so I can share them with my kids in the class on the same topic. So I don't have to worry about uh, just the specific exercise that they have to do and the material that they have to learn. Uh, I just pick up the main concepts and I get more time to explain to them. So that way, I think it has helped for sure. Yeah, I would recommend. It all depends on what kind of courses they teach. And I think most of your courses, from what I've seen, they're all you know computers and information systems, technical courses. So uh, yeah, I have no hesitation in recommending other instructors to take a shot at uCertify. Uh, Hopefully they will like it. It took me a couple of tries, but now I like it. So I'm sure they'll like it too.